For this procedure, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 9/64 Allen wrench, and the specialty tool included with the SumiMark printer accessories, shaped like a small hex wrench. First, remove the front cover via the two flattened Phillips screws, located above the opening of the print head. Next, remove the cutter head, held in place by four 9/64 Allen head screws. The cutting block is located in the head. It may be necessary to pry the cutting block loose with a flathead screwdriver. Inspect it to determine if it is worn, likely a groove caused by the action of the cutter. If you see signs of wear, you can either flip the cutting block to the other side or order a new one from your distributor. To change the blade, loosen the two set screws holding the blade in place with the specialty tool. Remove the blade, then replace it as desired with another straight blade or notched blade depending on your cut preference. Straight for clean cuts and notched for perforated cuts. Reassemble everything in reverse order, starting with tightening the set screws to hold the new blade, then replacing the cutter head with the four hex screws, and finally securing the front cover.